if you're looking for a really high quality doorbell that works really well, actually is really cool, works with solar power, look no further, try this one. So you pull down on this hanging piece here, like my daughter is showing you. 1 second. Oopsie, pull down here. And there you go, you heard the doorbell sound. It rings inside the house. And it'll ring a few times, and then if no one answers, it will say to leave a message, and then it will record a message here. You see the camera, and I will see that on the app on my phone. So this works really well. You can control the volume, make it louder, lower inside your home. You could control which footage it's recording.
No one answered, please leave a message.
There you go, and it's great.